It's not often that one dish can fit into so many mealtime categories. After I show you what we're making today, I'd be curious if you think of it more as a side dish, an appetizer, or a pizza. One thing I know, no matter how you serve it, it's downright awesome. So here's what we do. We start off by unrolling a refrigerated pie crust and placing it on a baking or pizza pan. While that rests for a minute, we saute some chopped green pepper and a slivered onion in a bit of Caesar salad dressing, just until they're tender. Once they are, we turn off the heat and add some fresh spinach, cherry tomatoes that we've cut in half, some pitted Greek-style olives, a bit of crumbled feta, a touch of black pepper, and a little more Caesar salad dressing. Now we toss this together and spoon it onto our dough before folding the edges over, creating what looks like a rustic pie. Once it's baked and the crust is golden, it's ready to cut into wedges and serve. The only question is, do you serve this as a side dish, an appetizer, or a fresh from the garden pizza? No matter how you want to serve it, go online and get the recipe for our rustic veggie pie so you can see what your gang thinks this should be. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty, fresh way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.